How to fix iPhone low speaker sound problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you can try to press the volume up button while playing music or a video and make sure the phone is not in silent mode. You can also try sound from various music apps or YouTube or a video and see if it's just the ringtone or the entire volume of your iPhone itself. Next, open settings and then tap on the focus option. Here, go ahead and tap on the do not disturb option and make sure that do not disturb mode is not enabled. Also, go back to settings and tap on Bluetooth and then disable Bluetooth as sometimes your sound may be going to headphones or another device. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then in settings again, tap on sounds and haptics and then go ahead and increase the ringer and alerts slider. Also go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for change with buttons. Next, make sure that your speaker grill is not dirty, as dust is a very common cause of low sound. So use a soft brush or dry toothbrush and gently clean the bottom speakers, and make sure not to use water or sharp objects to do so. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on software update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your iPhone as this will fix audio bugs. The next fix is in general again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter a passcode and reset all settings, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then go ahead and in settings again, tap on accessibility and then on audio and visual. Here you will see the option for phone noise cancellation. Go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for phone noise cancellation. Also make sure that the balance slider is disabled, and if nothing fixes your issue, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone clears temporary software issues. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone speaker low sound problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.